We just hit 2,600. How crazy is that? Profit is sitting at 925, and this account is going crazy. We started this account at 1,000 rands, and day one we made a profit of about 687, and then today we're sitting at 2,600. That is about 156 account growth. Guys, how beautiful is this? This is the robot that's trading. It's called the Sumari AutoTrader Robot. And look at the kind of sniper entries that the bot is taking. And even when there's volatility, it continues to hold for as long as the market is pushing in our direction. And it will only close this trade once it picks up that there is a potential market reversal. And then once there is, it will then close the sell in profit and then open a buy trade. There was GJ, and GJ is sitting at a profit of 345.46 and only with a lot size of 0.3. EuroCAD, the update now, EuroCAD is pushing up over there. EuroCAD is now sitting at 35 rands profit, and ZAW USD is continuing to push up like that. Now currently ZAW USD is sitting at around about 143 rands profit. I'm trading it with a 0.1, and GBP NZD is continuing to also push up. So GBP NZD is sitting at 65 rands profit. JP CAD, ooh wee, look at that sniper and how nice it has moved all the way to the top. JP CAD is now sitting at 140 rands profit. Euro USD, it first sold, now it's buying, pushing up nicely, and it is sitting at 78 rands. GBP USD, now, ooh, look at how beautiful that is. It has pushed up. Now GU is sitting at, where's GU? GU is now sitting at 139 rands. And last on the list, last but not least, and the DUSD. And the DUSD has came back a bit, retracing. And it's now sitting in the D around about 9 rands, 10 rands profit. We'll keep an update on how these trades are going to hold, but I'm so excited with what I'm seeing here. And look at this, we're using super low lot size for proper risk management on a small account. I want to show that there is a proper growth when you trade using proper risk management, and we are right now way higher, about 168% in 2 days, and we almost now having 1,000 rand profit on this as well. This is the Sumari AutoTrader Robot. Get your hands on this trading best and take your trading game to the next level. It's time to trade. Let's go get it.
From breaks to riches, I know it's not easy, but baby, you cannot take. From breaks to riches, I know it's not easy, but baby, when you break down, better pick up all the pieces. My sister, Mambela, yeah. From breaks to riches, I know it's not easy, we can say.